Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is STEWARTRTX. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can just unlock this. This is Tecno T528. I'm going to show you how you can just unlock it for free. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. Just stick to the video for you to unlock the phone. This is Tecno T528 MediaTek. It is MediaTek. Let's dive into my tool. I'm using Miracle Box. Remember guys, this is MediaTek. I'm talking about MediaTek only. You must start with Miracle Box before any other tool. So open device manager on your laptop. Remember to use boot key. That is the boot key of the phone. This phone is the same as ITEL 2160 and ITEL 5081. As you can see, my Miracle Box brought me this error. It's a port error. Remember guys, it is so important to you to use Miracle Box to update the driver. As you can see, my driver, it is already updated from MediaTek to MTK. So next step, go to your Windows Defender and switch it off before opening the next tool. Just make sure you switch it off. As you can see, you can just check it to my bio to download all tools that I am just used to this video. And this is how to update the driver if you don't know. And if you receive any error of updating the driver, make sure you disable Windows driver signature on your laptop. Basically, if you are using Windows 11, Windows 10 or 8, I'm going to open my next tool, GSM Aladdin. You can just take it to my bio to download it if you don't have it. I'm going to use version 2.1.37. Just open it. And remember guys, it is so important to you to start with the Miracle Box so you can update the driver from MediaTek to MTK, because GSM Aladdin won't work before updating the driver. Now disconnect the battery from the phone and then plug it back again. Now go to MediaTek on your GSM Aladdin, read password, then start connect, then start button, and remember to hold the boot key. That's the boot key of the phone. Just hold it before inserting the USB cable. Then make sure the phone charging port it is working correctly. As you can see, GSM Aladdin it is reading the phone password. Let's see how it works. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. You can just share it to your friends. I have just found the phone password. As you can see, that's the phone password. You can use it to unlock the phone. Remember this method, it is the same with ITEL 2160 and ITEL 5081, and I'm talking about MediaTek only. I found the phone password that is working correctly. You can just reset the phone using that password or dial **0** to factory reset the phone. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.